Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a query in Microsoft Access. Queries are essential tools that let you pull specific information from your database, filter data, and analyze records efficiently. Let's walk through this process step by step. Start by opening your Microsoft Access application and load into your database. Make sure everything is fully loaded before moving forward. This ensures that all your tables and data are properly accessible for the query you're about to build. Once the software has loaded along with your data, you're ready to begin creating your query. Look toward the top part of your screen and click on the Create tab. This is where all your primary tools are located for building new database objects. Within this tab, you'll notice two different options for creating a query. One is by design and the other is by Query Wizard. For this tutorial, we'll simply use the Query Design option as it gives you more control and flexibility. Go ahead and click on Query Design. A Query tab will now open on your screen. From here, you'll start by adding the tables that you wish to include within your query. On the right side panel, you'll see all the tables available in your database. Browse through the listed tables and select the ones where you wish to build your query. Simply click on the table you want and it will be added to the Query Design window. Once the table has been added, it's time to select the fields you want to work with. You can do this by dragging them from the table to your Query Design grid located at the bottom of the screen. This grid is where you'll design and customize your query. Each field you drag down will appear as a column in the grid. Now on the bottom part, this is where the real magic happens. You can start designing and creating your query by adding criteria. Look for the criteria and/or fields within the grid. Here, you can type in functions and values to start making your query more specific. For example, you can use conditional statements to filter records that meet certain conditions, or you can apply mathematical functions to perform calculations on your data. Microsoft Access supports a wide range of functions, so feel free to explore what works best for your needs. And that's it. You've successfully created a query in Microsoft Access. This process allows you to extract meaningful insights from your database and organize your data exactly how you need it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.